Unlike a negative feedback system, a positive feedback system tends to strengthen or reinforce a change in one of the body's controlled conditions. It makes abnormal value more abnormal. In a positive feedback system, the response affects the controlled condition differently than in a negative feedback system. It is a mechanism that continues until it is interrupted by some other mechanism. In this system, the control center still provides commands to an effector, but this time the effector produces a physiological response that adds to or reinforces the initial change in the controlled condition. Now, a good example of a positive feedback system is control of labor, that is childbirth. During labor, a hormone called oxytocin is released that intensifies and speeds up the contractions of walls of uterus. These contractions push part of the fetus, that is baby, into the cervix, which is the lowest part of the uterus. It opens into the vagina. Here, stretch-sensitive nerve cells are receptors which monitor the amount of stretching of the cervix, that is controlled condition. These stretch-sensitive receptors, they send the signals to the brain. As a result, brain releases more oxytocin, which increases the contractions of uterus, and this cycle goes on until the baby is born.